How to make a Cancer man fall in love with an Aries woman. A Cancer man is emotional, intuitive, and deeply loyal. An Aries woman, on the other hand, is bold, passionate, and fearless. Despite their differences, this zodiac match can blossom beautifully, if nurtured with patience and emotional intelligence. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here's a simple guide on how to make a Cancer man fall in love with an Aries woman, balancing both fire and water elements to create true harmony. 1. Show emotional understanding. Cancer men are sensitive and often guarded. Be patient and listen when he opens up. Let him feel safe emotionally. 2. Tone down the aggression. Aries women are known for being direct. While this is a strength, soften your delivery with kindness. Speak with care, not force. 3. Be loyal and consistent. Cancer men value loyalty more than anything. Be reliable in your words and actions. He falls for those who stay. 4. Create a calm, cozy space. Cancers are homebodies. Invite him into a peaceful environment where he can relax and feel at home with you. 5. Express your feelings. Don't just show passion, reveal your softer side. Let him see that beneath your confidence is someone who can be emotionally vulnerable. 6. Respect his pace. Don't rush the relationship. Cancer men move slowly in love. Give him time to build trust. 7. Encourage his dreams. Support his ambitions gently. He needs someone who believes in him but doesn't push too hard. 8. Share traditions and memories. Cancers love nostalgia. Create meaningful rituals or revisit special places to build emotional depth. 9. Communicate kindly. Speak with empathy. Avoid sharp words during conflict. Emotional wounds run deep for him. 10. Let him care for you. He loves nurturing. Let him help you, cook for you, or offer advice. It's how he shows love. Mastering how to make a Cancer man fall in love with an Aries woman takes balance. Fire must warm, not burn. Through emotional sensitivity and genuine care, a lasting bond can flourish. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.